We are going to make the third marine pendant that is currently trending. For this, we will need size 8 seed beads and jewelry wire, gauge 28. Take 20 centimeters of wire and thread, 2 seed beads, always crossing the wires as we've done in the previous videos. Cross them and bring them all the way down. These 2 beads will be the mouth. Then insert 3 seed beads. You can choose the colors as you wish. I'll leave a photo here of the mini fish so that you know exactly how many beads you need to place in each row. Remember, you can use the colors of your choice. The next video will be about a seahorse, so stay tuned to make all the pendants. And finally, we'll make the necklace using all these pendants. Here, what we're doing is reinforcing with the leftover wire enforce and sew through the wire that runs between row and row to give more firmness to our pendant. The same process should be done on both sides. At the end, with the leftover wire, we're going to make a loop that will help us attach the pendant. Or you can skip the loop and add one separately. Thank you very much for your interest in this video.